Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel, and thanks as well for joining me here. To all my soul family and soul tribes, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, who is coming towards Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. So we will see your cards for this reading. First, we have the Page of Cups. We also have the Knight of Wands, the Hangman, the Emperor, the Moon, the Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Knight of Swords. We will take one bonus card, the Six of Wands. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it is not resonates to you guys, just leave it. Take only what resonates to you and don't manifest the rest. Okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Page of Cups. This is a water sign energy, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Or it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign. It could also be that you are attracting or attracted with a water sign like you. I feel like you are going to receive a downloads here. This is spiritual downloads or a psychic messages from the universe. Others of you, it could also be that you are advised her to listen your inner voice. It could also be that somebody wants to inspire you, to offer you a cup of love. This is a young person. Could also be in your family. Or it could also be that this is your energy. You'll learn to love yourself unconditionally. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. It could also be that somebody here wants to socialize you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Knight of Wands. This is the Knight of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Not necessary, it could also be other sign. I feel like you are very courageous. You are very ambitious. It's because for some of you, you want to finish what you have started. This is related to creativity, studies. It could also be a new investment or a new business ventures. In others of you, you are very practical and ambitious. It's because you believe that you are going to have a financial success, especially when you are going to nurture this creativity. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, or it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, and this person wants to nurture the relationship with you. It could be your admirer in your family, your friend circle, could also be in your community. But I feel like this is related to creativity. It could be a business venture or an investment. And you are very ambitious, courageous, and you have also perseverance to move forward, to continue what you have started. And this is the obstacles and influences in this reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Hangman. This is a Pisces energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. This is the base of the situation. I feel like somebody here is feeling stuck. I don't feel that this is you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Pisces. It could also be other sign, and this person is in the limbo. This person is like in a stillness mood. It could also be that you are dealing with this person in the past. Could be your ex-lover, ex-friend. It could also be in your family or in the workplace in the past. It could also be in the community. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is your energy. You have an epiphanies. You have realized why the things happen in the past. Or it could also be that you are giving a silent treatment with this person because you don't want to do with this person anymore. Could be your ex-boss, your ex-lover, or it could also be in your family and or the community. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and I feel like for some of you, you are doing meditations, you are following your inner voice. It could also be that you go deep and you are detached from the outside world because you are very tired of the noise of the people. Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Pisces. You give this person a silent treatment, and this person now is feeling stuck in a stillness mood, feeling trapped. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your stories. And we have here the Emperor. This is an Aries energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. This is like you are a matured father figure. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It doesn't matter if you are young or adult. Because in Tarot, there is no gender and there is no age limit. This is your energy. You are building your stability. You are creating a solid foundation in your life. And you have roles, and you are very strict in following these roles. You have also a self-discipline because you believe that you can do this strong foundation, this stability, if you are having a self-discipline. It could also be that you are dealing with this person. This is a matured father figure who has an authority, a strong person, and having a control. This is a father figure. It could also be that you are dealing with your partner, your father, or your boss. But I think that this is your energy. You are bossing up. You are the control of your own life. You are having structure and you are very strong. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. And we have here your energy in the distant future. This is the moon. This is your distant future energy around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, double confirmation. It could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Look. I feel like somebody here is keeping secrets. It could also be that somebody here is hiding a deception. It could also be that somebody here is confused. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but I feel that there is a secrets here being revealed. Because somebody here is keeping secrets. Could be you or the person you are dealing with. But I feel this is the person you are dealing with, who embody the energy of a Pisces or Cancer. It doesn't matter. It could also be other sign. The universe advises you here to pay attention to your dreams, the signs and synchronicities. It's because somebody here is keeping or hiding a secret. It could also be that this person wants to confuse you. There is a deception here, a secret being revealed, or a deception. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. You are advised here to listen to your inner voice and pay attention to your dreams. Okay? And we have here the 5 of Pentacles. Remember, this card was also come out in the last reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you have a Taurus in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a Taurus. Not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is, or these are the group of people in the past, because this is your past experiences and influences. For some of you guys, it could also be that these are the group of people who are praying for your downfall. This group of people are, for some of them, they are doing black magic, voodoo on you. It's because they want you to be in the stage of poverty. They want you to struggle. They are very happy that you are struggling. And these people wants you to be on the stage of poverty. Could be that this group of people are either envy with you, or they are intimidated with your aura. I don't know what you have. This group of people could be in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle, in your neighbors, or in the community. It could also be your ex is included in this group of people. And I feel like you are very supportive with this kind of people, with this group of people. This is multiple people, because this is the 5 of Pentacles. You are very supportive with this group of people. For some of them, I hear that you are also supported financial problems, financial matters, sorry. When they have financial problems, you are always there. And you are always compassionate, generous to this kind of people, to this group of people. It could also be in your workplace, that you're always there when they want you. But I feel like when the times that you want them, they are not surround you. They are, what I mean is they are not supporting you. And that's why I feel that in the past, you are feeling left out in the cold with this group of people, because you are expecting that this group of people in the past that you have helped will also there for you, especially in the times of your struggling, but they are not supporting you. They are not reciprocating you. And I feel like these are the energy of the people now, because whatever they did to you, for some of them guys, they believe that they destroyed you, because this group of people want you to be in the stage of poverty, that you have no work, that you have no house, that you have nothing, not everything in your life. And in fact, for some of them, they're just curse you to be sick, yeah, to be disabled, to be crippled. You look at this picture, because this group of people, I feel like it could also be in your workplace. I hear that somebody laughed in front of you. This group of people are the haters. This group of people are trying to destroy you. I don't know what you have with these people, but I feel that they doesn't want you to rise. They want you to be on the struggling mode or in the stage of poverty. And now you withdrawn your energy, and whatever they have done to you, it is backfired for them. Now they are feeling left out in the cold. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You are having an internal struggle. It could also be that for some of you guys, you never expected that this group of people will abandon you, especially in the times of your struggling, because you are very compassionate and generous to them. Could be in your family, in your workplace, your ex, your friend circle, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, your environment energy is, look, this is an ace of wheels. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign energy, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you have an earth sign in your birth chart. I don't know what you have. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is a good news. You are opening the doors of golden opportunity. For some of you guys, it could also be that somebody will present this to you, or you are the one who create this golden opportunity that leads you to a financial success, especially when you are going to nurture this golden opportunity, to gather some information, and to devote your time and to stay focused. Take only what resonates to you, okay? And this is your energy in your environment or in the workplace. And we have here the 5 of Swords. This is the immediate future energy. This is around 3 weeks. From now to 3 weeks. Yeah. I feel like these are the group of people. It could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But the 5 of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. I feel like these are the group of people. This group of people are gossiping about you. They are slandering your name. They are mad. They are talking negative words about you. It's because This group of people are feeling defeated because I feel like you cut off the ties of this group of people. For some of you, I heard that you block this group of people in your mobiles or in your social media. This group of people could also be that they are mad on you because you are exposing the truth about them. Others of them, they want to attack you. Yeah. They are spreading lies on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because they are mad, they are jealous, and I feel like this group of people never learn their lessons, because this is your energy in the immediate future. It could also be that this group of people are engaging you in, wants to engage you in a conflict, in a fighting. It could also be they want to sabotage you. Others of them, it could also be that you engage with these people in the past. These are the group of people in the past who are bullying you. And now this group of people is feeling defeated because you are not giving your energy with them. Yeah. They are feeling defeated, but they're still gossiping lies about you. You know why? Because they are jealous. Yeah. And I feel like they are jealous because you are building your stability, your strong and solid foundation, and you are bossing up, and you are the control of your life. And this group of people viewed you that they couldn't manipulate you, and that's why they are mad and angry, and they are continuing spreading lies about you. Could be your belief, could be the nature of your job. It could also be for what you have done. I don't know what you are, what is the nature of your job. And this group of people are feeling defeated, but you don't care. You are no longer engaged with this group of people anymore. Take only what fits in your story, okay? If this is your energy, the universe advises you to choose your battles wisely. For some of you guys, you learn to pick your battles wisely, and you are not engaged with this group of people anymore. You need to be very strategic in this scenario, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here the Page of Wands. This is a Virgo energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you are taking an action with this creativity, and you want to pursue what you have started. It could also be that somebody will offer this to you, a new venture, a new business, or a new investment. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is related to material world. Others of you, this is a golden opportunity that you created, a creativity. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Virgo, just a minute, hold on, yeah, because my music is so loud. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo, and this person wants to approach you to offer you this. Could be a business venture or an investment. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your hopes and fears. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Knight of Swords. This is an Aquarius energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to approach you. This person is very impulsive and reckless, and this person wants to confront you. Could be related to a gossips. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Or it could also be that this person heard gossips and this person wants to ask you, or this person is intimidated with you and they wants to approach to confront you. I don't know what you have. This is a very impulsive, immature person. It could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to think first before you act. It's because you don't have to take an action, especially when you heard gossips from other people. Of course, there are a group of people who are still continuing to gossip your life. You look, they are still telling lies about you. They are gossiping about you because they are feeling defeated. They are intimidated. They are mad. They are angry because you're telling the truth. Because they didn't succeed. They tried to manipulate you, to control your life, to sabotage the connection. And you manage to pick your battles wisely. You are not engaging your energy to this kind of people. And that's why somebody here wants to approach you. If this is your energy, be strategic. Think first before you act. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your hopes and fears. No, the final outcome of this reading. And we have here the outside influence, the Seven of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign as Scorpio. I feel like you have too many choices, especially related to your love life. It could also be that this person or this group of people wants to put you in a hidden place that you cannot tell the truth. They want to confuse you. They want to gaslight you. This group of people in the past. But you still come out, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why somebody here is angry. You look. What is this? Page of Swords. Oh my God, this is the Knight of Swords. Yeah, you look, somebody here is angry. Yeah. It's because, sorry guys, I interchanged the Page of Swords to Knight of Swords. Somebody here is angry. Somebody here wants to confront you. Because I feel like this group of people could be in your workplace, your family, your ex-friends or lovers, or in the community. But I feel like for some of you, these are in your workplace. But you are no longer working in this place anymore. Could be that you are dealing with a Scorpio. This person is a low vibes Scorpio. Could be your ex-boss or your ex-colleague at work. I don't know what you have. Could also be a group of people in the past who tried to gaslight you, to manipulate you, to put you in the inside the box that you cannot tell the truth. And now, because you cut off the ties of these people, you will manage to pick your battles wisely. This group of people are fantasizing and daydreaming of your energy. They are, could be, this group of people tried to gaslight you, tried to put you in a confusion. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This could be another Scorpio, a low vibe Scorpio, not the Scorpio that I am reading in this time. It's different, the other Scorpio, the low vibe Scorpio. And we have here the final clarifying outcomes of this reading as the Page of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra. No, Gemini. Page of Swords is Gemini. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. It could also be other air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. I feel like far from a distance, is spying on you through your social media. This person or group of people are gathering some informations about you. They try to find ways, they're strategizing and analyzing because they want to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this is your ex or a new person. Could also be this other group of people in the past. Could also be that this group of people are trying to find information and ways on how to approach you, how to communicate with you. Because this group of people viewed you as a defensive person. It could also be that this is your ex. I don't know what tribe, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. But I think that nowadays, there are lots of people who are spying on you. Lots of stalkers, far from a distance. Because they are trying to gather some information about you. Why you are very defensive. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to be very strategic. Don't act first. You need to analyze before you act, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because sometimes it will lead you to troubles. You look, double confirmation, the Knight of Swords and the Page of Swords. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Gemini. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the bonus card, the Six of Wands, which is the Six of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you want balance here. You want give and take. It's because I feel like these are the group of people in the past. And you're always giving your energy. You're always supporting these people. You always give, and nobody is reciprocating you. This group of people are just taking you for granted. And now you want balance. You want give and take. Could also be in a relationship. Somebody here is giving too much and not reciprocated. These are the group of people, could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. It could also be your partner is involved in this scenario. You realize that balance is the key. And now you want give and take. You are very tired of giving and giving, not reciprocating and not receiving. This is your bonus card. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And clarify me, please, the moon here. Why the moon in this reading, please? Show my cards what I need to see. Tell me more about the moon. La 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 la. The moon is clarified as return, second chance, opportunity, making amends. Yeah. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with either Pisces or Cancer. Or you have Pisces or Cancer in your birth chart. Not all of you. It could also be other sign. Sorry. Somebody doesn't want me to speak out. And I feel that somebody here wants to return, to amends with this relationship. Could also be that in the past you have grudges with this person. Somebody here wants to have a second chance, a second chance and opportunity to amend with this relationship. It could be that this is your ex, either ex-lover, ex-boss, in your family or friend circle and or community. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Sometimes, guys, you must be aware because the card's energy could be reversal. That's why take only what fits in your story, because as I have said, there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. And we have here the Emperor. Why the Emperor in this reading? Tell me more about the Emperor here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Emperor? The Emperor is clarified as exhaustion, depletion, drain, and long journey. This card was come out in my other reading. I feel like you are dealing with this person. This is a matured father figure. This person having a structure and authority, and this is a strong person. It could also be that this person is your ex or a new person. And it could also be that you are living far away from this person, and because of long journey traveling, somebody here is exhausted and drained. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I feel like somebody here is feeling drained and exhausted. It's because of the long journey. Maybe both of you are living far from each other. It could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, because the Emperor is embodied the energy of an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. And this person is feeling drained and exhausted. It's because of long travel journey. You look, maybe this person is living far away from you. It could also be that you have a long distance relationship with this person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Five of Pentacles here for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Five of Pentacles here? Tell me more about the Five of Pentacles in this reading. The Five of Pentacles is clarified as longing, craving, aching, and wanting. Here, look. I feel like this group of people in the past could be in your family, in your workplace, your friend circle, could also be your ex, or in the community. That you already detached, you already not engaging your energy to them. And this group of people now are longing your energy. They are craving, and they have pain because they are feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling abandoned by you because you are no longer engaged with this group of people anymore. You look, you learn to pick your battles wisely. And now, this group of people are feeling left out in the cold, feeling abandoned by you. That's why they are longing, craving with your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus in this scenario, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Hangman here. Why the Hangman in this reading? Tell me more about the Hangman. Thank you, spirits. Oh my gosh. So much. Why the Hangman in this reading? Tell me more about the Hangman here. Why the Hangman here? The Hangman is clarified as ta-da-dan, rejection. Yeah. You look, this is the clarification of the Hangman. It could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign, and this person is feeling abandoned by you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because I feel like you already rejected this person. It could be your ex, either your ex-lover or your ex-boss. It could also be in your family. Your ex-friends could also be. And this person is feeling abandoned. It's because you already rejected this person. You don't care with this person anymore. You look, because in the past, they left you out in the cold, and now they taste their own medicine. What comes around, goes around. Yeah. You learn as well how to pick your battles wisely. And now you reject this person. This person feeling rejected by you, or you already rejected this person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. The 7 of Cups here. What is 7 of Cups here, please? Tell me more about the 7 of Cups in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. The 7 of Cups is clarified as... Ooh. Wow! Betterness. Yeah. This is the clarification of the 7 of Cups. You look... Betterness, resentment, anger, and hurtful words. Could also be that this person in the past wants to try to gaslight you, to put you in a confusion. It could also be that this person put you in an option. Somebody here having a bitterness. It's because of the hurtful words. Could also be that this person talking hurtful words on you. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because this person doesn't want you to come out. This person wants to put you inside the box. And I feel that you expose this person with your hurtful words, the harsh but truth words you expose with this person. Could be you are dealing with the same sign as Scorpio, another Scorpio, a low vibes. It could also be that this person is your ex-boss, ex-lover, or it could also be in your family, could also be in your friend circle or in the community. And somebody here is feeling bitter because of the hurtful words. Oh my God, just a minute. Just a minute. Sorry guys for the interruption. Somebody called me. Oh my God. Okay, then it could also be that somebody here is uttering hurtful words in the past, and that's why somebody here is feeling bitter. Could be that you are dealing with the same sign, Scorpio, the other Scorpio, what I mean. Or it could also be that this person put you as an option. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the 5 of Swords here. Why the 5 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the 5 of Swords here. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, thank you spirits. The 5 of Swords is clarified as karma. Yeah, you look. This is the clarification of the 5 of Swords, clarified as karma and obscurity, secrets, mysteries, and concealing. For some of you guys, it could also be that this people or person is sabotaging the connection. Could be in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex-lover, ex-boss, or in the community. I don't know who are this person, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And somebody here is receiving or hit a karma for what they have done to you. You look. This group of people who are bullying you, who are slandering your name, who are talking lies about you, who are gossiping you, who tried to manipulate you, who tried to sabotage the connection, who are trying to control your life. And that's today this group of people are facing their karma, the consequences, the cause and effect. Yeah, because it could also be that this group of people are keeping secrets on you. It could also be that they viewed you as you are keeping secrets and you are very mysterious. And this group of people who are slandering your name, who are gossiping you, who are putting you in a conflict, they are mad. They wants to attack you. They are mad. Could be they are also jealous because you are no longer dealing with this group of people anymore. It could also be that this group of people are putting you in a conflict in the past. Could be that this group of people are bullying you. Yeah, slandering your name, telling lies about you, gossiping about your life and everything. And now this group of people are feeling defeated and they are receiving their karma. Because you are no longer engaging with this group of people anymore. You learn how to pick your battles wisely. You don't care with this group of people. They can gossip, whatever. Because you don't care with this group of people anymore. You are cutting the ties of these people. You manage also to block these people in your social media and in your mobiles. They can continue gossiping. They can continue slander your name. They can talk anything, but you don't care anymore. Because you learn how to pick your battles wisely. And now they are feeling defeated. They are mad. They want to attack you, but they're still gossiping about you. They never learn their lessons because this group of people are the low vibes people. They are the manipulated. They are the haters, the backstabbers. And I feel like in the past, they have done wrong to you. They want to destroy you, but they failed. And now they receive their karma, the cause and effect. What goes around comes around. Yeah. For some of them, they viewed you as a secretive and mysterious. And that's why they want you to engage in a fighting. They want to create conflict on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They still want. They never learn their lessons. That's why protect your energy. It's because this group of people are the low vibes people. Low vibrational spirits people. And they will not learn their lessons. They don't care if you hurt or not. It's just like the saying that Jesus Christ knows that Judas doesn't pay as long as Judas can kiss the backside. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry for my heartful words. And this just like the group of people in the past. They are not learning their lessons. They don't care. They don't care. Yeah. This group of people don't care if they hurt you or if they slander your name. Because they are who they are. They are the low vibrational spirits people, the manipulators, the haters, the backstabbers, and the people who are telling lies, who are pretending to be your allies, but the truth is not. But never mind, they receive their karma now. You look, the cause and effect. What goes around comes around. Take only what speaks in your story, okay? And clarify me please the the Page of Swords here. Tell me more about the Page of Swords in this reading. Why the Page of Swords here? The Page of Swords is clarified as realization, epiphanies, understanding, awakenings. Yeah. You have an epiphanies and awakenings with these people in the past. And now you learn to defend yourself. Yeah, you look, that's why you are guarded up. You are defensive. It's because you have a realization with this group of people in the past. You knew as well their intentions towards you. They only want you to engage in fighting. They only want you to engage this conflict. And you have an epiphanies. That's why you learn how to pick your battles wisely by disengaging this group of people. You look, and now somebody wants to come and maybe this person wants to confront you. This is an immature, impulsive person. You look, you have an epiphanies, you have an awakenings, you have seen the truth about these people, about their intentions towards you. That's why you defend yourself. You are guarded up. Nevertheless, you have a realization with their intentions that they want only conflict. They want you to put in this fighting mood because they are mad. They are jealous. They are mad because you are telling the truth, the harsh truth. And they never learn their lessons. They're still gossiping about you. They're still telling lies on you. They want you to be in this mood, a fighting mood. And now they are feeling defeated because you are no longer engaging your energy to this group of people. And aside from that, this group of people are now receiving their karma. They are feeling defeated, mad, and exhausted. For some of them, I hear that they have a mental anguish. They are, sorry, I have to laugh because it's also my experience. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for supporting to my channel. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.